I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Torx screwdriver set and a plastic trim removal tool. These specialized tools help prevent damage to your vehicle's interior. Always work on a level surface to ensure the door remains stable throughout the process. Taking these initial steps will make the entire removal much smoother and safer for you and your Audi. Next, we'll focus on removing the inner door panel. Begin by carefully prying off any trim pieces, especially those around the door handle and armrest, using your plastic trim tool to avoid marring surfaces. Once the trim is off, locate and remove all Phillips head screws. There are typically several, including one at the bottom center and others hidden behind trim. Then, gently pry the door panel away from the door frame to release the clips, working your way around the edges. With the door panel loose, you can now access the handle mechanism. First, disconnect the door release cable from the interior handle assembly. It usually unhooks easily. Next, unplug any electrical connectors for components like window switches or lights. Carefully peel back the plastic vapor barrier, which is often held by a sealant, to expose the internal workings of the door. Be gentle to avoid tearing it, as it helps protect against moisture and noise. Finally, to remove the exterior handle, locate the Torx screw on the side of the door, often behind a rubber plug, and unscrew it completely. This screw holds the lock cylinder in place. Once loosened, slide out the lock cylinder, then carefully maneuver and remove the exterior door handle itself. Reassembly is the reverse of these steps. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.